What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing a straight pour with just these three colors. So this was the golden turquoise, phthalo turquoise, and it was mixed one part of the paint with probably about 3 to 4 parts of pouring medium. And then this was just tube paint, cerulean blue and titanium white. This was 1 part paint to 2 parts of the same pouring medium I just showed, the Artist Loft pouring medium. And we're just going to do a straight pour. There's no silicone in any of these colors. So let me grab my cup. I like to start with white, typically. And I feel like I'm going to need a lot of smaller layers to get what I want to get out of this. So I'm just alternating between lighter and darker colors for contrast. And how's everybody doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. I am having a great day. I feel like once I have this layered, I am going to let the phthalo turquoise kind of churn through all the colors just a little bit to create some really interesting blending. So I think it'll look really nice. A lot of the time I start trying to make a straight pour, but then I end up doing a flip cup just because I forget, because my memory's freaky terrible. My memory's really bad. Go out and check the mail 3 times the same day because I forget that I did it. It's crazy. But I hope everybody's doing amazing and having a wonderful day. Summer is coming. And in about a week, I'll be in Puerto Rico for a few days with my wife. I'm very excited for that. It's going to be cool. I've never been before. She's been a lot of times. She has some family that's over there, so I think it'll be really cool. Alright, so I'm going to save the rest of that turquoise for a punch through the layers. We're going to let it churn a little bit. So I'm just raising the cup higher than it would normally be and just letting the colors kind of push through. And there we go. So there's that. I do want to have some, excuse me, a puddle to pour onto, and then save a little bit of this white for the corners. Shouldn't need it. There isn't a lot of bubbles from the churn, so I'm gonna just pop them. And there's bubbles inside the paint too that I can't see yet, but they will come out. All right, here we go. I like turning it. Now I'm noticing a lot of cerulean blue is coming out with that spin. Sometimes when you change direction, it completely changes the way the colors are coming out. I really love the lines in a straight pour. Let's see what I mean, how there's no real stark white, and now since I'm going the opposite direction, now I'm getting that white. That's pretty. You're starting to see that blending of the turquoise that came out. Yeah, it's really nice. Getting a cool little white feathering going through the center, which is cool. All right. That's a really nifty looking straight pour. It's really cool looking. Actually, it won't need this white, so I can save this. That's really cool. All right. Well, let's see. Are we centered? Yes, we are. look at that. Look at that. Jeez, that is... Just from what I can see, I love it. Wow. Ooh, whoa. That is cool. That is so cool. I'm just flabbergasted. I don't even know. I have no words right now, so we're just gonna let the video show you. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. This thing is gorgeous. Kind of looks like a overhead view of those hurricanes or tornadoes. Super cool. I like it. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.